Hey folks, your OS Reviews. You're watching our video review of the Beyzacases exotic python leather case for the iPhone 6. Yes, as the name suggests, this is a case crafted out of genuine python leather. It's actually been handcrafted in Istanbul and mailed out here to the States, so the price point, about $70, is actually a pretty just, again, for the material and the sportsmanship that you're going to get for this particular case. But before we launch directly into this review, I'm going to go over a bit of the philosophy of the company first, and what Beyzacase believes in, or their slogan, is that technology has to be in style. In other words, there's a place where technology, fashion, and style can converge together. And as a result, they're producing a lot of accessories that are a bit more high-end and luxury-oriented than your traditional case. So yes, they can protect your iPhone and your other smartphone devices, but at the same time, you're going to have to pay a bit more of a premium to get a unique look and a unique feel. So now taking a closer look at the actual case itself, it's actually very well presented, as you would expect from a luxury case, and on the inside, wrapped carefully, you have the actual design of the iPhone case. Again, it's a handcrafted case where it's been carefully applied. You can see some of the scales that have been applied to the case itself. It produces a relatively three-dimensional effect. On the sides, you have cutouts for the power switches, your lightning port adapter, your speakers, in addition to the volume rockers on the sides. But the main star of the show is going to be that python leather and that look, and it's a very controversial look, whether or not you like it or not. Now, the insides of the case has this soft touch material which prevents your iPhone from scratching whenever you place it in and out of the case. It's also, again, quite slim, so it provides and retains the aesthetic fragile. I would be afraid to perhaps throw this case around because I would feel like some of the scales might fall off or something like that, and that would be terrible for a case that's $70, almost $100, that you're paying really just for that style element. So it's definitely very cool. It has a very interesting texture. At the end of the day, the Beyzacases exotic python case for the iPhone 6 is no doubt really nicely constructed. All these scales and all the elements of the case look excellent, and it also features a really unique feel. But at the same time, it's not the most rugged case in the world. It's not going to be something that you're going to use to perhaps throw around your iPhone with, because you now have to worry about protecting your case for your iPhone, which is supposed to protect your iPhone, which is slightly ironic. With that being said, though, this is a great fashion case, I guess. If you're looking for something that's unique and it's going to set you apart from the crowd, this is definitely an option to go with, although it's going to be highly controversial. For more details about this case, be sure to check out our full article review on our website. This has been our video. Thanks for watching. This has been the Beyzacases exotic python leather case for the iPhone 6.